everyone! I'm Amelia with the Ellenville Public Library and Museum, and this is today's craft with me. So, as promised, here is our Juggling Day video. So, this video is going to be a little bit like our... This video is going to be a little bit like our Donut Day video, if you joined us for that one. So what you're first going to need is some fabric. I have these fabric squares, but you can really use any kind of fabric for this. I'm going to use some mismatching squares. You probably want to try to use some sturdy material if you have it. So what we are going to need today is fabric, thread, a needle, scissors, and I like using beads for these because they give it a nice weight. So first you are going to pair up your fabric. Keep in mind that you want the actual pattern facing inside. Okay, so after that's done, you are going to want to figure out what shape you want your juggling balls. So I think I am actually going to have mine be a square today, because that just seems pretty convenient. So I am first going, let's see, I think that would be a bit big for juggling, personally. So I'm going to take off just a little bit . I am freehanding it today, but if you would like to draw a pattern on this with a pencil or some chalk or a pen or a marker, that is totally up to you. Actually, I think I'm going to use my sturdier white thread for this. Because I really want to make sure that this stays together. So I'm going to save this blue thread for another time. Wow. This fabric is kind of shedding. This kind of tells me that I need to make sure my stitches are close together, and that I might want to double up on some of these stitches. Okay, as you can see, I have reached the end of my thread here, so I'm just going to snip it off and add more. But I'm going to have to make sure to go over this again, just so it doesn't unravel behind me. Okay, I'm actually going to stop here, and I know this is a lot of room here, but we have to fill it with beans, so we are going to stop the sewing here and turn it inside out. Okay, so just make sure you've reversed it all the way. You can roll the edges a bit with your fingers to try to get it more out, and then fill her up. Oops. Might be a good idea to use a piece of paper as a funnel. Okay, so we filled it up with some beans, and now all that's left is to stitch it closed. Okay, and to finish it off, I'm just going to tie a knot. Clip it. And there you have a DIY juggling ball, or juggling sack if you prefer. This looks kind of circusy with the stripes, and I really enjoy how it turned out. It's a nice weight, and yeah. Thank you guys for joining me again today. So as always, please stay safe, stay healthy, and be good to each other. I'll see you all next time. Bye!